In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a budget versus actuals report in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing finances for your business, understanding how your actual spending stacks up against your budget is crucial for staying on track and making informed financial decisions. This report is an invaluable tool that provides insights into your financial performance, helping you to see where you might need to adjust your spending or revenue targets. Let's begin by navigating the QuickBooks Online interface. First, direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on it. Once inside the Reports section, you'll want to move your focus to the top of the screen where it says Standard Reports. Clicking into this tab will open up a plethora of report options that QuickBooks offers. Next, you're going to make use of the search function to find the specific report we're focused on today. Type in Budget versus Actuals into the search bar and press Enter. You'll see the report title appear in the drop-down menu. Click on it to proceed with running the report. QuickBooks will then take a moment to gather the necessary data to generate your report, so be patient if there's a small loading period. Once the report is fully loaded on your screen, you'll have the opportunity to review and analyze the information presented. But that's not all. QuickBooks gives you the flexibility to customize this report based on your unique needs. Begin by heading to the top toolbar. From here, you can adjust the report range. Perhaps you want to see data from this month, the last quarter, or even year to date. Whatever suits your analysis needs. Simply choose the appropriate date range. You can also add or remove columns to tailor the report further. This could include elements like accounts, departments, or other variables that are important to your specific business scenario. Customizing the columns can make the report more relevant and insightful, providing a clearer picture of your financial health. And that, folks, is the process of running a budget versus actuals report in QuickBooks Online. With just a few clicks, you have access to a comprehensive view of how your business is performing in comparison to your goals. This enables you to make strategic decisions, whether that's curtailing overspending, reallocating resources, or even identifying areas where you can afford to invest more. By regularly checking and interpreting this report, you stay proactive in your financial management, ensuring that your business stays on the growth path you envision. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you take full advantage of QuickBooks' powerful reporting capabilities.